you're experiencing an installation loop while trying to install Grand Theft Auto V, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA V. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, CPU, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Delete temporary files that may be causing the installation loop. You can do this by typing disk cleanup in the Windows search bar, selecting your drive, and checking the boxes for temporary files before clicking OK. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the GTA V installer and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be preventing the installation from completing. Step 4. Disable antivirus software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that may be interfering with the installation process. Remember to re-enable it after the installation is complete. Step 5. Reinstall the launcher. If the issue persists, uninstall and then reinstall the game launcher such as Steam or Rockstar Games Launcher. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the installation loop. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and enjoy playing GTA V. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.